kum ka jing Christian ban pen klan ya ka jing tmu jong sarkar ban radding khong ya ka jing di pen buai ba pher lengba ka mok bharat abian na ka liang ka kunhun treimon snobha ka bla jutep kum ka ribhoi area welfare association rawa hakakat pratrik na wing arjar stan ka lapen long ya ka program ka bakarpang lani ka awareness program halo ka tai ka phang haka school sati raja memorial secondary school patarem umsning hakani ka si lawan mane ai Jinghikai shaki Khynnah puli da ki riu shampang bakan thup yau kamrul islam officer in charge umsning police station uba Charles kala president seng samla jongko umsning patarem uba wan lamlat kharwan lang ubadei block project manager MSRLS umsning CNRD block bat ka kong bala kentiu umba kabadei ka president jongkarawa habakran ki tei kiri rangba ki lakentu kan pha mi ki samla ba kimdei ban ngop ik jingdi ba pen bu ai khamtam yo drugs bola jelle bat bun ki khun samla manta ki langop hauni jingdi hadu ba ka songsuk songsngan kamdan shu hakishnong ki thau.
I stand here today with courage and conviction. I choose life over addiction. I choose strength over weakness. I choose hope over darkness. I pledge that I will never misuse drugs, alcohol, or any substances. I will protect my mind, my body, and my future. I will not be silent when my friends are in danger. I will speak up, stand up, and help those who need support. I pledge to respect myself, my family, and my community. I pledge to inspire others by my action. I pledge to build a society where every child is safe, every youth is empowered, and every life is valued.
Nakaliang jungahi kumunong yalam ba hapo kisnong jungima te ngakwa ban ai jingmut sapi ki samla borok ba snubha ban yasno akti bat ki nong yalam ki jongpi deitang kane hi kalat kalenti bangin la ban yada na ki jingsneu ki ba per ya ka jingwan jung udrok sa ki snong ki jongpi omba nin chupet khmat tangi ki nong yalam ki jongi teng ngilong kum ma phi bat phiru philong kum mangi da ke jingi trilang ngin sala ban rat e kita ki jingsneu ki ba per ki bala banwan haka snong ka jongi khamtam kabala an pensneu ya ki samla ki badang sukhi ki badang pule bat kumta dater ki ba syam ki jingjar ki jat bat kawe nga syam balong ba teng ban kran you rock ngaso barok ki langya athrai drugs barabar ni ten drugs langya teng dangi pelong ki program ro badong sepang drugs dan lawan ni khen dai bau tau drugs ni la tip lut ni la dang lut don kam su matai ndai ngan ong pi barok ki khun samla mo ki kilong kami ro kunju kilong kami ki bedon ki khun samla hi ba lang don kino ki program badai drugs let khnam ba pinyo jingbut kumno ban rat ding khong lani ban yarap ki khun ki ti jong pi ban yarap ban mentoi ya pi ki khun samla ba pin khamtip Shibun yaki ki badai sepang drugs.
This Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, it means Nasha means you all know drugs, na? Nasha means drugs. There is two types of drugs. Paracetamol, insulin, penicillin, these are also drugs. Cocaine, heroin, ganja, this wine, this also drugs. Two types of drugs. The good drugs and bad drugs. Good drugs will heal you, then bad drugs will harm you. So first of all, we need to educate ourselves what is drugs, what is impact in society, what is the side effect. That's why this Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, they are conducting awareness to educate us what is drugs, what is its harmful effect. This Nasha Mukt Abhiyan, Nasha means drugs, Mukt means free, Bharat means India, Abhiyan means a mission In English, you can say Drugs Free India Mission. The Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. This movement, its name itself carries a message. Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. A powerful message. And remind us our responsibility also. Being a citizen, we have some basic responsibility, basic duty. Just not like we just me, myself, and I. It's not like that. We have some basic responsibility. We are social animals, so we are having a society. If someone got fall in trap of drug and he become addict in your society, you don't think he will only spoil. He along with take your community, your society, as well as the whole state. That's why simply we just nowadays within 4 months experience I saw here in Umsining there is lots of addict person is there. And the society, headmen, even their parents, father and mother also simply avoid them. Oh, itu drugs pita, chor to, isko nahi.
Balengi hak ban rakhi ya lesi kumbalong mantangi amdei bangi rakhi blingi kan mau mo ya kanit na takdaw ngi lai ya ka mo ya ka ega ya ka jingi sim manta ka jungi menne bangi ya don ya ka jingkulat ka jungi ya ka thong ka jungi ba ngi dang don ya ka jingkermen namar lesi ngilap onong badang san snem ngi dang kan mau bakane ka jing kata jong Drok sapo ka imlang Khynnah ka jungi ti lesi ngilapan perkhat san snem mensyua pada ka syua jong tu ki san stem kamut kampat dalong kendrai haduk kan ikan bakalong mentah tengaru kumbang pi kumwei di samla mau balami syakmat banyak trei bakakam jong pi haki imlang Khynnah te lesi haki kam ki bagi dai bat kaliang jok sarkar nak benta ki wei pat ki benta ban kentiu ya kayo ka kot mo jong ki than ki jongi jong ki wit para long yeng la niki long keme la niki doki mo ki nong song ki bodon hapo ka nika than sning tinggal adon hang ni lah buat ligi stem mau mentah lah jan dai ligi stem te kai ke bangi ki dai hi ki ba baro ngesim mentah renti tindai ki don pat ki benta wat hapring jo kita ki bangi ba ki benta ki ba kata ya ke imlang Khynnah ru ti ka wei ka thong hi ka bangi ba lo bangian rat ding khong kri tang yau ni wei pat uja jingdi ba kata ya ke imlang Khynnah ni je keren bor ba mo say no to drugs, say yes to life. Ong em yang du Drok ni hoi ya ke jingim jukku boleh borok ni tip hi na pleng jungi ki samla ki bedon bat ngi ha ka por ka menta ki long keme ki bedon bar ngi ki rangba ki bedon lang bar ngi kan thai bat chadran boleh ngi ong banong hap ong hoi ya ka jingim ka jungi em ya kini ki ba pen stiu ya ka met ka jungi namar ngi so thu ngi dei ki jing thau ka jung play ka ba ngi dei ki jing thau ka jung play ki bot ngi dei ki ngi ha ka tien ka ba khut jung play ru ong ba ki met ki jong pi ki ki yeng shong ki jong usi ki jong te ladang kabut ladang i penduk ladang ya kata kabut nilai ayu pat yau tau nong thau nong polong jeng te kita ki benta ki bangi hapan perkhat kum ka imlang ka salang ka jongi mo hoi ngi ba karalong ka bae ale se ladang ni chu perkhat kum no ngin le kum bangi juong hi borobor ba teng teng bagi i akum bala petso dai sir osi meneru ni teng kala syukut nak kamat ya dep satu kampam pat jah yang lajong hendrai manta kane une ulong kum uthit ubang balai wang pi ba uha ukta ya ke imlang ka salang kanjing di yang new Drok sele ke jingponan kam ya new Drok mentali kam desu de se ke bangin ong ba le se kan long ka bari teng nilai iru wat ha ka ba pawru klalong ha ka ba pawru la dengi pej menta tang ha po social ni ru la dengi ya kaptu kan ni ke jaka teng klalong peleng tambah habakut ngi haban syai lai nomor balai ba ngimla ban li ai
habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus f
ka plus f
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus f haka jingsom Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lan ni ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka Kiar ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya